In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Following that, hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!